Hi guys, it's Dr. Steve. We're going to go over how to use FTP in this class for this session, so hang loose and pay attention. Okay, we're going to use filezilla. I can help you with filezilla anyway. If you prefer another FTP client, that's up to you. But I recommend filezilla. filezilla works very nicely. It's free. Free is nice. You can pick it up. I've noted here where you can get it. It's at the filezillaproject.org. And when you get there, you want to get the download, the client. You want to download the client. Follow the directions there and do your installation of filezilla. The basic settings you want for filezilla when you are setting up everything is you're going to use a TLS, which basically uses a security certificate. The address you're going to use is moonlight.kapiolani.hawaii.edu. No capital letters. Sorry, the editor capitalizes everything. The username is going to be your first initial last name, and for me that would be like S. Singer. Your password is going to be a capitalized first initial, a capitalized last initial, an underscore, the last 4 digits of your student ID number. So again, for me, it might look like something like this. Capital S, underscore 1234. Of course, that's not a real number. On the left side pane, we're going to take a look at this in a little bit, is going to be your local computer. The right side pane is going to be your user account up on Moonlight. And it works very nicely. I mean, you can right click on things in FileZilla and you'll get a little, a shortcut menu telling you what you can do. You can drag and drop. You're probably going to need to insert your password several times. By the end of this class, you will know the last 4 digits of your student ID number. Okay, so here are some screenshots. Here's FileZilla loaded up and started. Again, the left side is your local computer. The right side is going to be the remote one. We have nothing connected at this point. You're going to go into the site manager that's in the upper left-hand corner from your file menu, and you're going to create a new site. You see that little button on the left side, new site, and you're going to create something that looks like on the right here. You're going to use file transfer protocol, again, Moonlight, Kapiolani. You can leave the ports empty. You're going to use explicit FTP over TLS if available, and then we'll make it interactive. Okay, you do that right there. That's how you create that profile. You make it interactive. You're going to put your username in there. Remember, first initial, last name. And then your password. Again, that's going to be, look at the example I have here, SS underscore 1234. I should take you to something that looks kind of like this. Again, the left side is going to be your local computer, whatever you have in front of you. Right side would be the remote site. And then the lower right corner, that's your account. That will show your various files you have in there. The index.htm, that's your starting point. I have a placeholder in there. You're going to replace my placeholder with your stuff. I just did a right click and created a folder. That's how I created the Mini 1 folder. You'll probably want to do something of a similar nature, Mini 1, Mini 2, Mini 3, that kind of thing. All your work needs to be in separate folders. If it's not in a separate folder, I really can't grade it. So that's kind of it. Hope that helps. We'll talk a little bit more about it in our open Zoom session later on. Okay? Aloha.